Hi guys, welcome to Alex Goes Coconuts. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pack for a week-long trip, all in a carry-on suitcase and backpack. A lot of people ask me how to pack everything in a carry-on, especially when it comes to liquids and everything. We'll go over all that today. And I'm just going to show you these brand new items that I got from BAGSMART. This one is a backpack, which is also a roll-on suitcase. And I also got this little backpack from the company BAGSMART. This makes the perfect personal item because it's small, it's compact, and it fits in the seat right underneath you in the aircraft. And all the items that I'm going to show you in today's video, I will put links in the description box down below. All right, so let's get started. Now, there's a couple of tips that I recommend when you're packing everything in the carry-on and you have to streamline what you're bringing for your trip. The first thing I recommend doing is checking the weather on your phone for the destination that you're traveling to. So I always go to the destination that I'm going to. In this case, it's Miami. So I check the weather forecast for the next 7 days, and I make sure that I brought the right type of clothes for the weather. So that way I can streamline what I'm bringing and maybe not bring those extra things if I don't need them on the trip. My second tip is to choose clothing that can be mixed and matched easily. And I like to bring some outfits that I can dress up or some outfits that I can dress down for more casual days so that you don't have to bring an excessive amount of things. Now, my third tip is to choose the type of luggage that you're going to be packing wisely. You definitely want something that's functional, that'll fit a lot of clothes, but that's also going to be easy to travel with. So today I'm actually going to be showing you this backpack roll-on suitcase from the company BAGSMART. So this is the Blast 43-liter roller backpack. It's a backpack, a duffel bag, and a roller suitcase all in one, which is super versatile. So as you can see, it does have the telescopic handle and it does have wheels, but what's great about this is this also transforms into a backpack. So you do have these straps here that you can hide while you're not using them, but when you do need to carry this on your back to have your hands free, and basically the straps just hook onto these hooks here like this, and it turns into a backpack. Another thing you have here is a waterproof pouch, and this goes over the wheels here so that the wheels are covered, and that way it doesn't dirty your back in case the wheels are wet or dirty. And as you can see, this fits onto your back and it's super comfortable to wear. This is a great feature, especially if you're traveling to Europe or something. A lot of places don't have elevators and it's so much easier to carry your luggage on your back. Now, another feature that I really like about this bag is it has tons of zippers for storage. So it has one here at the top if you want to store your phone or something that you need to access really quickly. Here you have another zipper here at the front, like if you want to put your earbuds in here or something that you want to access quickly. Another feature about this bag that I really like is it has a large laptop sleeve right in the front of the bag. There's a zipper here on the side, very wide pocket, perfect to put a laptop in. And it is cushioned so that it protects your laptop from any impact. As you can see, the laptop fits perfectly in this front zipper. Now, there is another zipper here on the side, right underneath the handle here. So this is a little zipper that holds like your wallet because it is RFID protected. And you have a place here for a large water bottle, which is always great. You often don't have that feature on suitcases, only on smaller backpacks. Now with this, I got the matching compression cubes. So as you can see here, you have two smaller sizes for your undergarments, a small, a medium, and a large compression cube. And they also provide you with a shoe bag, but you can also use this as a little sports bag or something to go to the gym, or a beach bag. So I really like this little set for travel. So why don't I go ahead and show you how I'm gonna pack this using these packing cubes. Okay, so let's start with the largest packing cube here. And I'm gonna pack all my bottoms first. So the first thing I wanna pack are these white linen pants. Perfect for the Miami heat. Next, I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of linen shorts. I have a black pair and a white pair. Right here, nice and comfortable. Next are my dresses. So I have a little black sleeveless dress here just to wear out if I'm going to a nice restaurant at night. So that's the next thing to go in. Next is my beach cover up if I go to the beach or to the pool. And I'm also gonna pack a black little cardigan to keep me warm at night in case I get cold that I can wear over my dresses or with my shorts. All right, so that's it for this. Let's close this up. And we're gonna go ahead and compress this packing cube using this external zipper here. And as you can see, that kind of cut down the packing cube in half. So it's a lot thinner, easier to pack in my backpack. Now we're gonna use the smaller packing cube right here to pack all my tops and my PJ. So the first thing I'm gonna bring is a little workout outfit. So here I have some running shorts that I can work out in and my workout top here in case I wanna go to the gym. Then it's my t-shirts. So here I have 6 t-shirts, 1 for every day of the trip that I can wear with my linen pants and my linen shorts. I'm also gonna bring this little linen tank top. This I can dress up at night, but it's nice and comfortable to wear on those hot days. And finally, I'm gonna bring a PJ pant and a PJ top. And I like to pack that at the top of my packing cube. That way, when I arrive at my destination on that first night, I can access those PJs super easily. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing, use the zipper to compress. And again, the packing cube is half the size. So we'll set this aside. Next, we'll use one of these small ones for my undergarments. So let's open it up fully. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pack is my strapless bra. So I like to lay my bras and my bikinis like this so that the cups don't get crushed. Then I have my sports bra here. So that's the next thing that's gonna go in here. I'm also gonna bring 2 bathing suits. So I have 2 different bikini tops here. And why I like to bring 2 is that I can switch one out if one is wet. I can easily switch it out to a dry one. Again, I'm just stacking the cups one inside the other. It's the best way to pack bras and bikinis in my opinion. Then the bikini bottoms, I'm just gonna stuff inside the cups because now we have that room. And lastly, there's all my underwear, and I brought 1 pair of underwear for each day of the trip. And this also I'm gonna pack inside the cups. And this is pretty much ready to go. So let's close this up and let's compress it. And there you go. So you got this nice skinny one with all my undergarments. Okay, so now let's go ahead and pack this roller backpack. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of room here at the bottom. You also have these 2 straps here to help you compress your clothes at the end. So let's open these up. The next thing to go in are shoes. So I'm just gonna use a shoe bag just to protect the bottom of my suitcase in case these get dirty. And I'm also gonna pack my black flip-flops for the pool and the beach. So zip this up. And I'm just gonna put this here at the bottom of my suitcase. Next, I'm gonna bring my black strappy sandals to wear with my dresses. So this too, I'm just gonna put in a little shoe bag here just to make sure that my shoes don't get wrecked. And I'm gonna put this in this corner here. All right, now let's pack the packing cubes. So my first packing cube, I'll put onto this side. My second packing cube, I can put right here. Then here I have my longer packing cube with my undergarment. I'm bringing this little bum bag here just to wear to go sightseeing. Then I'm gonna bring my roll-up sun hat. This is really great because it rolls up super flat, so it's easy to carry, and it allows me to carry a sun hat wherever I travel to. The next thing to go in are my socks, and I'm just gonna pack them here in this little pocket. Since I'm wearing my runners onto the plane, I don't need to pack them in this backpack, but I carried extra socks for the trip. Then here you do have a waterproof pouch, which is really cool in this bag. So you can use this for like wet bathing suits when you're flying home. Now, if I wasn't taking a plane, I would have put all my toiletries in here. That way, if they leak, they would have protected all my clothes. But for today, I'm just gonna use this pouch to put my camping towel. I like to bring a little microfiber towel like this to lay on at the beach and to use this to dry myself off. So go ahead and close this up. And as you can see, everything fits super comfortably in this roller backpack. Now, if you want to compress this even more, you do have these attaches on the side, so you can like compress it even more if you need it to fit in a smaller space, and you have that on both sides. So let's set this guy aside and pack my personal item for the plane. All right, so for my personal item, I like to travel with this BAGSMART backpack just because it has really sturdy handles here that are cushioned, and the back is padded and very breathable. It does have this strap here so that you can put it onto the handles of your carry-on. Now, this does have a large laptop sleeve here, as you can see, so you can put your laptop and your electronics. This has tons of zippers for easy access during your flight. So you have a top zipper here for, you know, your phone, your electronics that you want to access during your flight really quickly. It does have a zipper right here at the front. It has another zipper here. And then on the side here, you do have a hidden pocket. And this pocket is an RIFD pocket, so you can put your passport and your wallet back here, and it's kind of hidden on the back of the backpack so that it keeps your stuff safe while you're traveling. Another really great feature about this backpack is that it's expandable. So it has a little zipper here on the side, and you just go ahead and unzip it, and you can expand this backpack an extra 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So there's a lot more room in this backpack, and then it has the main zipper here that opens up completely. They're a really nice deep backpack, and it does have those 2 straps again to hold your clothes down if you are packing clothes in here. Now, in the bottom of the backpack, you do have a pocket here if you want to carry some runners or some shoes in here and you don't want it to dirty the inside of your backpack. But for today, I'm not going to be using that extra sleeve. I'm just going to be packing the backpack for the actual trip. The first thing that's going to go at the bottom of this is my dry toiletries. I like to put it in this hanging toiletry bag. This is a large toiletry bag. You can get the smaller one. This is from also the company BAGSMART. I travel with it all the time. So here at the top, I have all my dry toiletries, including my toothbrush. And then here at the bottom, I did go ahead and put all my medication. So I like to travel with a variety of meds in case I get sick while I'm on vacation. And I also carry around this little pill box. I labeled it with all the medication that I put in here. So I have Tylenol, ibuprofen, Pepto-Bismol, antihistamines, Imodium. So I have a whole bunch of stuff in case I start feeling ill while I'm traveling. This is gonna be the toiletry bag for my husband and I. And this one is gonna go at the bottom of my backpack right here. The next thing I'm gonna pack is my electronics bag. This has all my charging wires, and then I use this side to store my 3-in-1 charging station. Here I always travel with this. Here I also have a charging bank. This is magnetic, so it just holds on to the back of my phone like this, and I can charge my phone. And then here I do have my AirPods to listen to music and to watch movies during the flight. So that's the next thing that's going to be packed. Next is my passport holder. I like to keep my passports in a passport holder like this to keep them organized and not to lose them. I also like to keep my cash in here, and in the back here there's full of room for my credit cards and my IDs. So this is also gonna go in here. The next thing I'm gonna pack is a little travel umbrella. This one is a super small umbrella. It comes with its own case, but this is kind of practical on those rainy days or in case of an emergency. So I'm just gonna put it here at the top of the backpack. Here I have my baggie of toiletries. Now, when you are taking a plane, all your liquids have to be in a quart-size Ziploc like this. You do have to pull this out when you're passing security. So I went ahead and packed my shampoo, my conditioner, my toothpaste, all my liquid makeup, my sunscreen in here, and I'm just gonna put it in this waterproof bag here at the top. Now, again, you can use this for a wet bathing suit, but just as an extra protection in case this leaks during the flight, it'll protect my stuff from getting wet. And that's pretty much it. Now, sometimes I travel with my laptop if I'm going on a business trip. Now, since I'm going to Miami, this is a vacation, so I just like to bring my iPad. That way I can watch some movies and some shows during the flight, and also in my hotel room if I want to surf. So I'm just gonna put it in this laptop sleeve right here at the back. Here in the front, I'm gonna bring a couple of snacks for the flight. So I have a couple of protein bars here just to hold me off during the flight if I get hungry. One for me, one for my husband. And finally, I just have my water bottle, which I'm gonna put in the water bottle sleeve right here because I like to stay hydrated when I'm traveling. And there you go, guys. That's how I pack for a 7-day trip in a carry-on only. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any other tips when you're packing a carry-on. And if you got any value from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you take the time to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy travels. Bye.